Hey guys, welcome back to the house. So we're gonna be making like so I have something to mix with and a plate. You only need 2 ingredients, which is body wash, gel. It has to be gel and toothpaste. So let's get mixing. So first you need to add the gel and put them apart. Don't put them on the top. Apart. Our ice cream just passed. This is why I get the plates. You need more gel. This is the color of the gel. So you need more toothpaste. Just what I noticed. Okay, I'm finishing the toothpaste. Then we have to put it in the fridge. The fridge will take more than the freezer. Fridge. Sorry, that's fridge. Hey guys, let's go check out this thing. Wow, it came together. Look at it. Wow. Oh my god. It's a little sticky, but it came out. Okay, hi guys, thank you for my channel. See you.